707 horsepower in a 2027 Jeep Wrangler. Yes, you heard that right. A Hellcat-powered off-road monster built to destroy trails, climb anything, and possibly scare the Defender itself. And trust me, what Jeep has done to this Wrangler might change the future of off-roading forever. So make sure you subscribe, because what you're about to see is absolutely insane.
At first glance, it still looks familiar, and that's exactly the point. The upright stance, the round headlamps, the unapologetically boxy silhouette, the DNA is intact. But look closer and you'll notice something has shifted. The surfaces are tighter, cleaner, more intentional. The grille feels more refined yet more aggressive, the Wrangler script confidently stretched across the front like a signature on a masterpiece. It's not retro. Its heritage sharpened into something modern and dangerously precise. Then there's the contradiction that makes this machine so fascinating. It's compact by modern SUV standards, almost defiant in its proportions, yet it carries the heart of a supercharged Hellcat. That tension between size and output creates a character few vehicles dare to embody. This isn't about excess for the sake of it. It's about proving that intelligence in engineering can turn a relatively compact off-roader into a 707 horsepower force of nature without losing control of its soul. And when you see it in motion, black paint reflecting the open sky, tires biting into uneven terrain, the philosophy becomes clear. This Wrangler wasn't designed to sit outside luxury hotels. It was designed to move. The wide stance, the planted posture, the way the suspension absorbs the earth beneath it, it feels alive. Not reckless, not chaotic, controlled aggression, like it knows exactly how powerful it is. But the real revolution happens when you step inside, because this is where the old Wrangler stereotype quietly disappears. The dashboard stretches wide and horizontal, anchored by a panoramic digital display that feels more like a command center than a cluster of screens. Metal accents, stitched leather, warm textures, nothing feels accidental. It's still rugged, but now it's deliberate. The cabin no longer feels like a tool, it feels like a destination. What's surprising is just the technology, it's how seamlessly it integrates into the Wrangler identity. Off-road data, terrain visuals, performance metrics, they don't overwhelm you, they empower you. The interface feels intuitive, almost instinctive, as if it understands that this vehicle will be used, not just admired. It respects tradition, yet it refuses to be trapped by it. That balance is rare, and here it's executed with confidence. Now imagine pressing the throttle. 707 horsepower in a short wheelbase off-road machine sounds absurd, and yet it works. The power doesn't feel like a gimmick. It feels engineered, filtered, controlled through intelligent drivetrain calibration. The result isn't just speed, it's authority. Whether launching on asphalt or climbing uneven rock faces, this Wrangler doesn't hesitate, it asserts. What makes the 2027 model truly important, though, isn't just its output, it's what it represents. The SUV market has grown larger, heavier, more insulated. Many competitors chase comfort first and character second. This Wrangler flips that equation. It proves that raw personality can coexist with refinement, that a vehicle can be technologically advanced without becoming emotionally sterile. Globally, this positions the Wrangler in a fascinating space. It no longer competes purely as a niche off-roader. It challenges performance SUVs. It challenges premium adventure vehicles. It even challenges the idea that electrification and downsizing are the only paths forward. By embracing engineering intelligence rather than abandoning identity, Jeep has created something bold, something unapologetically mechanical in a world turning increasingly digital. So no, this isn't just another high-horsepower variant. The 2027 Jeep Wrangler Hellcat is a statement about balance, between tradition and transformation, size and strength, intelligence and instinct. It asks a simple but unsettling question. What happens when an icon refuses to soften? The answer is right here: 707 horsepower, wrapped in heritage, aimed straight at the future. And the world of off-roading may never feel the same again.